Hello friends, this is Utkal. Welcome to my channel Quick Chess for You. I hope you have gone through the previous lesson, that is Introduction to Chess chapter 1, where we learned about files and ranks, square names, chess pieces names and values, how to move the chess pieces, and how to set up the chessboard. You were given with assignment on how to grab the stars using rook, bishop, queen, king, and knight. Now let's look at the solutions for the same. What is the minimum number of moves required for the rook to grab all the stars? The stars are placed on a4, g4, and g3. As you see the stars with the circle around. The first move would be the rook will go to a4 and grab the star. The second move, the rook will go to g4 and grab the star. Then the third move, rook will go to g3 and grab the star. What is the minimum number of moves required for the two bishops to grab all the stars? You can see we have two bishops and they have to grab 6 stars. The bishop remains on either white or black square in the game. So it is also commonly referred as light squared bishop or dark squared bishop. So the dark square bishop can move only in dark and the light squared bishop can move only in light color diagonally. The light square bishop can grab the stars in 3 moves. 1, 2, 3. Similarly, the dark square bishop can also grab the stars in 3 moves. So total 6 moves required to grab all the stars. Now let's grab the stars using the queen. How many moves required to grab all the stars? We already learned in our previous session that queen can move any number of squares in a straight line, vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. We can say it can either go like a rook or bishop. Now see here, you can move the queen straight and grab the star on e5. Then move the queen diagonally and grab the star on b8. Now let's grab the star with the king. So what do you think? How many moves required for the king? As you know, king can move one step any direction. Here king can grab the star in 3 moves. 1, 2, 3. In fact, there are more number of ways to grab the star in 3 moves. Now the next problem is knight has to grab both of the stars. In this problem, the knight has to grab the two stars. If you remember the three rules that we learned about knight. Number 1, knight will move in L shape. Number 2, knight will change the square color every move. And number 3, we need to remember the rule 2 squares followed by 1. Here knight can move 2 squares left and 1 step up and grab the star on C5. Then the knight will move 2 squares up and 1 right and grab the star on D7. So the answer is 2. So that's the solution for the assignments from chapter 1. To stay up to date with my latest videos, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking my image icon.